Hello, in this video I will show you how you can turn on or turn off silent mode on OPPO A5. So first of all you have to swipe down your quick options menu and here you can find this bell. So if you click on this, I have a ring right now. I'm clicking it and I have vibrate and click one more time and I have silent mode. So you can change it from here between the modes. Also, if you have no this bell icon over here, maybe you have to add it to your quick settings. So to do it, you have to click on this three dots in the top right corner and click Edit Tiles. And maybe if you have no this icon over here, maybe you have to add this from more tiles by clicking this plus. And now I can find this option in my quick settings. It's here. So basically that's all. Thanks for watching and subscribe to this channel.